This video is on railway establishment rules, objective MCQs for railway LDCE exam, especially for APO, AOM, etc. And this video is related with pension, family pension, factory act, pass rules, etc. Set of 25 objective questions. So, pension rules. Employees appointed before 1/1/2004 comes under old pension scheme rules. Employees appointed on or after 1/1/2004 comes under national pension scheme and are not eligible for monthly pension under old pension scheme. So these two the main important factor, main important lines. Some more on pension rules. Pension is equal to 50% of basic pay last drawn by the employee at the time of retirement. 50% of the basic pay, but in case of running staff, additional amount equal to 55% of basic pay is added to the last pay drawn for calculation of pension. So it is exclusive for running staffs. Some more facts on pension rules. For railway doctors, additional amount equal to 20% of basic pay is added to the last pay drawn for calculation of pension. For railway doctors only. For sanction of pension, employees should have put in minimum 10 years of qualifying service. Very much important and asked in the last exam. Service gratuity is paid in case of less than 10 years qualifying service cases. If 10 years completed, pension. If not completed, service gratuity will be given. This is one-time payment and not monthly payment. This is not a monthly payment but one-time payment only. Service gratuity is equal to 50% of basic pay last drawn for each completed 6 monthly period of service. So, employee can commute up to 40% of pension and take lump sum amount. Pension commutation is applicable up to 40%. Commuted portion of pension will be restored after dash years from the date of commutation. It will be restored after 15 years from the date of commutation. If the employee dies while in service or after retirement, his or her spouse is paid pension. This pension is called dash. If employee dies, then their dependent or family will get. This pension is called family pension. That is known as family pension. Family pension is dash % of basic pay drawn by the employee at the time of retirement or death. So, pension 50% but family percent it will be 30%. Family pension 30% of the last basic pay. For running staff, extra dash % of pay will be added to the basic pay for family pension. For running staff, extra 55% will be added. Family pension cannot be commuted. Statement is true or false. This statement is true. Family pension cannot. Pension can be commuted but family pension cannot. Physically handicapped or mentally retarded child is paid family pension till up to what age? So till death. PH or mentally retarded child will get family pension till death. Recognized trade union officials can be allowed to act as a defense counsel in dash numbers of disciplinary cases. Recognized trade union officials up to 3 numbers of cases. Review of suspension case is being done dash. It's being done after every 3 months. After 3 months. Which of the following does not comes under the definition of information under RTI Act 2005? Option A, logbooks. Option B, file notings. Option C, data material held in any electronic form. And option D, circulars. So option B is correct, file notings. What is the time limit to get the information under RTI Act concerning the life and liberty of a person? Very much important. This is 48 hours. In case of life and liberty, 48 hours. What is the fee for getting information under RTI Act? Rupees 10. Fee is rupees 10. Dash is empowered to take decisions in out of turn basis request transfer cases. That is GM. GM is empowered to take decision in out of turn basis cases. Which section of the Factory Act covers the topic annual leave with wages? Topic annual leave with wages, that is section 79. Section 79. How many hours in a week can an adult works as per Factory Act? Factory Act 1948. For 1948, 48 is the clue. Per week 48 hours. What maximum penalty can be imposed on a railway servant in case of misuse of pass or PTO? Highest penalty, that is dismissal. What percentage of defense service of ex-serviceman will be counted for qualifying service for issuance of PRCP, post-retirement complementary pass, that is 50%. Up to which age son or dependent brother can be included in privilege pass? Up to 21 years of age. How much earning limit is fixed for a dependent to include in privilege pass? Earning limit for dependent, that is 9,000 plus DR or 15% of basic pay, whichever will be earlier. So friends, let me know in the comment box how useful you find my videos. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe my videos please, my channel please.